Welcome to 10 Powerful Herbs Our Ancestors Knew, presented by Terrence McWilliams. This teaching is about preserving plant wisdom from our communities, our elders, our southern gardens, and our family traditions. Before convenience was everywhere, families depended on gardens, neighbors, and elders who knew the land. This knowledge mattered because it supported self-sufficiency and kept cultural memory alive. Elderberry connects food, wildlife, and careful preparation. In many homes, elderberry was remembered through syrups, teas, flowers, berries, and seasonal kitchen work. The lesson is tradition with caution: know the plant and prepare it responsibly. Mullein is one of those plants beginners can learn to recognize in the field. Its tall stalk and soft fuzzy leaves make it memorable, and it reminds us that plant knowledge often begins with observation. Garlic kept kitchen medicine close to the cooking pot. It was practical, flavorful, easy to store, and familiar across many cultures. For beginners, it is also one of the friendliest crops to grow. Ginger brings warmth from the kitchen to the teacup. Even when grown in containers, it teaches patience, protection from cold, and the connection between cooking and plant tradition. Turmeric teaches color, culture, and caution. Its golden root has a long place in cooking and traditional wellness systems, but the strongest teaching is responsible use and respect for the plant. Dandelion reminds us that useful plants are often overlooked. Leaves, flowers, and roots have all been part of food traditions, but clean harvest sites and correct identification matter. Lemon balm earns its place by being generous and easy. It smells good, grows readily, supports pollinators, and gives new gardeners an early win in the herb bed. Nettle asks us to respect plants before we use them. It has a real sting, but with careful handling and preparation it also carries along wild food and tea tradition. Goldenseal turns herbal learning toward conservation. Some plants should not be casually harvested. Protecting wild populations is part of ancestral wisdom too. Plantain is backyard folk knowledge hiding in plain sight. It grows where people walk and live, and it teaches us to look more carefully at ordinary places. Sassafras carries southern flavor, story, and safety lessons. Its distinctive leaves made it easy to remember, but modern teaching should honor the history while also naming safety concerns. The modern ancestral garden becomes powerful when children learn it. Label the plants, tell the stories, write down the cautions, and let the garden become a living classroom. The knowledge lives if we pass it on. Learn one herb at a time, talk to elders, start small, and share what you learn with family and community. This teaching is educational, not medical advice. Herbs can interact with medicines and health conditions. Always involve qualified care when health decisions are involved. Use responsible references and keep learning. Tradition is strongest when it is preserved, updated, and shared with care. Our ancestors left footprints. Sometimes those footprints grow as plants.